Hey guys, good morning. I'm just a little bit confused because it looks like you might not have subscribed yet. If you haven't, do it now and let's dive into the question. Is dropshipping profitable in 2021? Before I answer it specifically, let's take a look at some statistics. There are 2.05 billion global digital buyers in 2020. Okay, this is a great one to start with. The more people there are shopping online, the more potential you have to become a successful dropshipper. And of 2014, 1.3 billion online shoppers were recorded, which stepped up to 1.79 billion in 2018, and finally to 2.05 billion online buyers in 2020. This is crazy, guys. E-commerce is going through the roof. In 2020, e-commerce sales account for 16.1% of retail sales worldwide. So the global retail sales, both online and in physical stores, is valued at a huge sum of $26.074 trillion. So this is all over the world, from small little markets to huge physical retail stores such as Marks and Spencer's, as well as e-commerce. So let's go back to that fact. E-commerce now owns 16.1% of global retail sales. This also saw an increase from the 10.4% we saw in 2017. Can you guess how much this 16% represents in terms of retail sales? Okay, I think some of you got it right. It represents $4.026 trillion of retail sales. Think about that for a second.
2 seconds later.
So thinking about it, would you say that e-commerce sales are at their all-time high? If so, then so is dropshipping. In 2017 alone, 23% of all online sales globally were fulfilled through the dropshipping model, which is equal to roughly $85 billion per year. And these dropshipping stats prove it. If you've seen my video, $billion dropshipping brands, then you would know that it's not just small independent sellers using the dropshipping model. Most stores are doing it. If you go into your favorite tech or clothing store and you have a look at the labels, they're 8 times out of 10 manufactured abroad in countries like China and Bangladesh, then imported into your country and sold at a higher price. This is because the dropshipping model sees a higher conversion rate and higher net profit than almost any other model. And on the other side, e-commerce is said to grow by 7% each year, which also means growth for dropshipping. We've seen the stats, but now we're going to take a look at how profitable dropshippers actually are and how much they're making. Wait, how do we get those numbers? Don't worry, I think Salesforce has it sorted. Now, there's a lot of other tools out there, but I'm going to be using Salesforce to spy on my competitors. Sorry, I don't know what that was. Okay, let's go. So you can see here on the homepage that you can analyze stores, and you can see here in the sidebar that you can find the top stores. And you can have a look at all of these sellers who are selling right now. See 16 hours, 5 days ago. So you can see Fashion Nova are selling fashion. And these guys, they're selling like game controllers, little avatars, TVs, and they're making up to $39 million per month. And then you can go down here, Alo Yoga, see 19 hours ago, 20 hours ago, and they're making up to £22 million per month right now. So what we can do is click onto their store, and then we can analyze their store, and we can see their best selling products. So these they uploaded 3 years ago, but they're also uploading products right now, see 19 hours ago. So you can see that they're still very actively selling. Another cool thing you can do is go on to their Facebook ads and look how many ads they're running. So you can see this is active, active, active. So they're obviously still selling right now. And you can have a look at these for inspiration. So all of these ads are obviously working for them. Look how many ads they have running. So this shows you kind of what you need to do to create a successful store, right? Look how professional this looks. So let's go back. These guys really interested me. Here we go. So let's analyze their store too. So they're in Australia. Ooh, okay. Wow, you can see how eye-catching their store is. So let's analyze it. Yes, they are still making this amount. So for inspiration, you can see their best-selling products. So you can have a look at these if there's anything here that you would want to sell. These are really cool. And then their recent uploads. So in the last 2 hours, in an hour, 34 minutes. So they're very, very active here. And again, let's have a look at their Facebook ads. Yeah, so they have so many active ads right now. So they're definitely still selling right now in 2021. And they have a lot of like deals going on. So Aloe Yoga and JB Hi-Fi have taken very different approaches in their marketing, you can see here. But they're both obviously working for them. These are showing what the workout gear can do for you. It's very cool. Whereas these guys are more like showing the deals. Oh, and the ultimate student laptop. So their niche here is students, right? You can carry on looking on sales source at different stores. You can go on to products. You can analyze these products. And you can have a look at the different stores selling these products right now. For example, the mum shop. Right, so you can see how much they're selling them for. You can analyze their store. These guys make up to $9,000 per month, which isn't bad. And they are uploading their products right now.
Don't forget, guys, you can also use Salesforce for free by clicking the link in the description below.
Okay, so that's a lot of information, but now what is the verdict? Is dropshipping profitable in 2021? By concluding those inspiring e-commerce facts, alongside seeing how profitable dropshippers are right now, it looks like dropshipping is not just still profitable, but it shows that there's an increasing number of online sales. So dropshipping profitability is actually increasing. And who wouldn't want a piece of this billion-dollar pie? Yes, this is the time to try it out. And the best part with dropshipping is that you don't have a lot to lose. You don't need to put a lot of money into the business. And I've been watching a lot of different videos recently, and it's not just me saying it.
So the real question is dropshipping dead?
I want to share with you 10 unique products that have massive potential to sell right now in 2021.
No, dropshipping is definitely not dead.
I'm going to be giving you guys 10 products that are making thousands of dollars per day right now that you can start selling on your dropshipping store.
Every single one of these products is proven to sell and an easy low-hanging fruit.
If you want to start a dropshipping business, all you need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, a Shopify store, a marketing budget, okay, and maybe the Salesforce app. So I know that you're all probably really eager to go and start your dropshipping business, but before you go, remember to hit subscribe so we can carry on making these videos. Goodbye, and I will see you next time when you are making a fortune with your new dropshipping store. See you.